Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a circle around your mouse pointer. This simple visual aid can significantly improve clarity, especially when you are presenting or recording your screen. It helps your audience effortlessly track your cursor's movement, making your demonstrations much more effective. We will explore both built-in operating system features and external tools to achieve this helpful effect, ensuring your pointer always stands out clearly. For Windows users, you can begin by opening your control panel or navigating to the mouse settings within Windows Settings. Once there, look for the Pointer Options tab. Here, you will find a checkbox labeled Show Location of Pointer when I press the Control key. Activating this feature will display a temporary circle around your pointer whenever you press the Control key, making it easy to locate instantly. If you are on a Mac, head over to System Settings and then choose Accessibility. From there, select Display and you will find options to adjust your pointer's size, making it more prominent. Mac OS also offers a fantastic built-in feature: Shake Mouse Pointer to locate. Quickly moving your mouse back and forth will temporarily enlarge the pointer, creating a visual cue that helps you find it instantly on your display. For even more advanced customization and persistent circles, third-party software is your best bet. These applications provide a wide array of options, allowing you to select specific colors, adjust the circle's size, and even add unique animation styles around your pointer. Simply search online for terms like mouse highlighter or pointer focus tools to discover many excellent programs that can give you precise control over your cursor's appearance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.